Here we're solving limits, and we're going to kind of explore the properties of the limits. So we have up here defined as the limit of f of x as x approaches c is equal to 4. And we're asked here to solve this limit. This is the limit as x approaches c. Of course, both these c's are the same of the function f of x, and we got a bracket around it, and it's all raised to the third power. Okay, so what we can do here is by the properties of limits, we can take this bracket and actually bring it out and this is going to become real useful when we're solving some limits. So now what we can do is we have the limit of f of x approaches c, and that's up here has been defined as being equal to 4. And so we end up with replacing all of this here with 4, and it's raised to the third power, which is 64. So this is equal to 64. All right, let's look at some other properties. So we've got something similar again here, whereas we have the limit as x approaches c, and our f of x here, but now, so this whole thing is going to be raised to the 1/2 power, because this is square root, and we know what this is equal to. It's equal to 4, and therefore our limit is equal to 2. So we can put a 2 right here. Okay, let's look at another one here. So this one here can actually be broken up because of multiplication. So these are the properties here of limits. Now we said that the limit of a constant is just the constant. So this whole thing right here is equal to 3, and of course we've defined that as being equal to 4, therefore we get 12. Now this is the long way around of doing this, but what we could do is just take this 3 and just move it right out here in the front and just get it out of the way if we wanted to, and a lot of times that's what people do. But I just want to show you that when functions are multiplied together, we can break them up into separate limits. Okay, let's look at another one here. So this function here, f of x raised to the 3/2 power. Now that means that we can right, so we can put this all in brackets and raised to the 3/2 power. So I hope you're working along with us here and not just being a spectator, but get in the game. So this is 4 raised to the 3/2. And so this is kind of like saying this, all raised to the third power. So that's going to be 2 to the third, which is 8. So we can say that this is equal to 8 because the limit of f of x approaches c has been defined in the very beginning.